Ablecraft here. This is the final video for the Ford Ranger 3.0 four-wheel drive manual transmission, vacuum, upholstery, seat cleaning job. So, if you look at that video one, you'll notice the difference. Yeah, it still could be a little bit more cleaner, but you know, for a 23 years old, heavily soiled and abused truck, probably not seeing cleaning such as this in its 23 years, I think it's turned out okay. What you're looking at here is the passenger side, and I went ahead and just did everything I could with the tools I had, referencing that shop vac. And I tell you, at least my significant others, that is, could sit in this thing and not worry about burning the clothes that they worn afterwards, after sitting in here. Now, it was not that bad, but anyway, it was pretty bad. There's a lot of grease and stains, but at least it looks like somebody gave her half a rip now, meaning me, after you know, putting some man hours into this thing. And there's more to do, of course, but at least I got a starting point of what I want to do here. So this is the passenger side, and here's the back side again. I pulled up the rear fold-out seats. All right, let's come around to the other side, driver's side. All right. Oh yeah. Making our way around. Yep. So here we go. This is the rear fold-down seat, driver's side. Oh, this came out really nice. Nice and dry. So this is after, say, 15 hours of after I did this job. It's now pretty much everything's pretty nice and dry. Yep, looks pretty good. Yeah, back seat here. Yeah. I put a wild animal or some children back there, and they should be okay. Yep, driver's side. Oh yeah, never mind that minor flesh wound here. Yeah, this seat's gonna need some upholstery work. Perhaps any of you all seat upholstery experts out there, throw something in the comments on how to repair such a thing. Yeah, I'm sure some people could use the information. Yeah. What's sad about this thing is that if somebody cared enough, they could have put floor mats down there to save up a lot of that wear that you would see right there. But caring does count. See, the vehicle currently has 162,000 miles on it. 162,610 miles. Everything works pretty much like everything else, like I was talking about earlier. Four-wheel drive, and everything shifts nice. But there you go, guys. Well, I want to say you guys can do it too with an Ablecraft Dave. I guess I'm a little bit surprised how well the carpets did come out clean compared to the extent of damage and oil that was on there. I guess if I want to put another 4 hours in there, I could do so. I guess the next step really would be is just getting a brand new carpet installed and just call it a day after I do everything else to this truck. Okay, well, whoops, there. With all that being said, you guys have yourselves a great Ablecraft day, and get yourselves dirty. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of work and caring, because if I can do it, you guys can do the same thing too. All right, now, y'all take care.